Reka, can you sing for me? Can you sing? Reka, sing. You want to sing? Reka, sing. Can you sing? Can you sing? Good girl. Can you sing? Oh, that's good. Sing. Do you want to sing something else? Or do you just like classical music? Just classical? What about if we played this? Can you sing? No? What about this? Oh, you like that? Good girl. Okay. What about something else? No? Is that it? Okay.